How is it going? It's your girl. Firstly, I want to thank some Vietnamese subscribers that's reminding me to introduce myself because they have no idea who I am. For everyone who's new to my channel, I am Anna Francia and I am currently living and working here in Vietnam, but I am 100% Filipino. So anyway guys, for today, I think some of you may be mad at me, curse me. Why are you doing this to yourself? To give you a clear idea where I am actually here in Bintan. I am so sorry guys if I haven't posted a move-in video. It's just that I haven't really unpacked all my things yet. As lazy as it sounds, yeah. That is what you're getting from me. So the ultimate question guys is that why I am leaving my apartment again. It is because this is just really a temporary apartment for me. And as you can remember, I was kicked out in my District 3 apartment. It was closing for renovation and I was really caught off guard that time. I was bound to make a decision like on the spot. I only have 1 to 2 weeks to decide and to look for places where I can move in. And I saw this place. It's so nice. It has white walls and it also has an awesome view in the balcony. I will take you outside guys later. I hope you don't think that this channel is turning into a apartment review channel. I don't want you to think of that guys. It's just that things are changing and I also want to explore more of Saigon. Excuses. Anyway, you know the drill guys. It's a little bit of a tour of my Bintan apartment. So without further ado, let's clean my apartment. Here guys is my kitchen. It's a bit dark but it's okay since I still have some lights here. I don't know guys if you can see my stove. It's still a 2 stove. Here is my dirty kitchen sink and my bathroom is here. So I will show you my bathroom this time. Please excuse the situation here. My bathroom sink, some laundry essentials such as softeners. Here is me. That's my shower, random stuff, only towels. Let's leave the bathroom. So here is my living room. Let's adjust the light. Medyo silaw ka guys. Sorry if the footage is overexposed, but I just want to show you how my living room looks like. Here are the boxes that I will be using to move things out. I don't know guys if you can see Mochi, but the carpet is his favorite part of this apartment. He can spend all day in that carpet. And beside the living area is the bedroom. Let us go to my bedroom. Yan siya guys. It's a convertible bed. And ayan guys, the things that I haven't even unpacked yet. That's the closet for my clothes. And here is the working table and the laundry. Shooting this one, it feels a little smaller, but in reality, it's a huge amount of space. And you've already seen this table in my past vlogs. And so, let's go outside, guys. Kita ko sa inyo yung labas. Here is my balcony area. That is the landmark 81. That's the tallest building in Southeast Asia. We are outside my balcony and ito guys ang aking bed. And si Mochi. Okay, pasok ka dun. Let's go back inside guys and start cleaning up. For a short break, I will tell you the pros and cons of this apartment. Number 1 pros is it has the right distance from the city center. It is close to District 1 and District 3 and also beside the District 2 which is the expat district. It is peaceful, it is quiet, it has banana trees. It has awesome appliances, same as my apartment in District 3. I can save up money for lesser consumption of electricity. Number 3 is the automatic door locks. The main door and the basement gate both has fingerprint access, so I don't have to wake up a security guard at 1 a.m. Number 4 is the huge space. I guess this apartment is 40 to 50 square meter, so that is a large space for this human body. And number 5, this is the deal breaker of all the apartments that I've seen. It has a convertible bed. Here's the first time that I've seen this apartment. I was hooked. I love this place and I paid for the deposit immediately. So this bed converts itself to a big chunk of a table, and you know me, I can freely put all my mess in there like my laptop and notes simultaneously hanging out there together. Let's talk about the cons of this apartment. You will not believe this, guys, but there's a construction that happened on the upper floor. I wasn't really expecting that because they haven't told me. I was waiting for them to stop for like a lunch break if they're not doing some pounding and hammering upstairs. So that was a little stressful for me. And number two, with that cafe situation, it's already open, and that means the room are vulnerable. Cafe goers are obviously have the access on the balcony, on the doors and the windows, and we have CCTVs, but it still feels unsafe for me to leave my apartment exposed to some strangers, if that makes sense. Number three, it's expensive. This apartment is a little over the budget. I can understand why, because this is an ample amount of space. There are cheaper apartments and I think I could live into that apartments. Let's just say that I want to live within my means. Number five, cons. I guess these cons are quite tolerable than the other cons. It's my kitchen sink. Like, I have to wait every 10 to 20 seconds for it to drain well. I don't know what sorcery is this. And number six are the foams, or like my mattress and the sofa. These babies are from District 1 from a store called Thành Công. So for people who are here in Ho Chi Minh, or people who wants to buy boxes, or I don't know what purposes you have, but yeah, I'll just put the link below. Let's open the Kraken. Different cabinet, same Anna. Let me just tell you that I can still find my clothes there. Yeah, please don't judge. Ginagawa nito dito. Laruan ni Mochi, guys. The day is almost over, and yeah, I packed all my things again and I am ready to leave Bintan. Of course, I am very thankful that I have this freedom of shifting various apartments. I don't know, guys, baka maikot ko na ang lahat ng district dito sa Saigon. Ayun lang, guys. If you like to see more of my misadventures, especially here in Vietnam, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, see you on my next apartment. Bye!